All right, what is going on YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Today is the day, the big day. It's been over a month. It's been a month and some change. Today is going to be the first collections video for my first location, the first one ever. I'm not doing both locations today. It's nonsense. So we're taking it easy. We're just doing the first one today. Like I said, it's been a month and several days. I can't recall. But I will be honest about this location. I have stopped by plenty of times to make sure that everything was good because it was my first time. And every time that I was stopping by, I was actually topping off what was there. So if today for some reason looks like it's full, super full, it's not because I'm not selling. It's because I was back and forth in the area, making sure everything was topped off. Plus, I was double checking the light bulbs that are necessary, that are needed to be swapped out, what kind they were, because I was at Home Depot and Lowe's and they couldn't find it, and I was like, let me get the right measurements and numbers and wattage and all that stuff. So that's I was back and forth. So yeah, today I'm actually right in front of the business. It's like right over there. I'm actually wearing a shirt that says Collections Day. So it's legit, okay? It's legit. So in a few minutes, I'm going to go inside there and show you the situation. Hopefully, lots of empty spaces. It'll be a good sign. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we're actually inside the location right now. And from the looks of it, some things have been gone through. Some things have been purchased. How I know? Well, I actually took a picture. I actually took a picture last time. This is my way of keeping track for now until I develop a better option. Yeah, I took a picture of it when it was full. So for now, yeah, there's some things that are missing there. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full rows there. It was Doritos, potato skins, and honey buns. I don't know, I can't remember honey buns. But yeah, it was honey buns, and a lot of things that are still there, they actually went through. So we have some restocking after we check out the bill collector, and let's actually get that open. By the way, guys, I highly suggest you guys have keys that you guys get these retractable belt key sets, because last time I thought I lost my keys and they were actually just under my car seat. So it costs like $9 on Amazon. So good investment there. All right, here we go. So, as you can see, I have my extra stuff on the bottom. You gotta make good use of the space in there, right? So, let's check this thing out. That is a month and some change, right there. Can it? You see that, guys? You guys seeing this? You guys seeing this? I'm like totally just like not handling this camera right, but yes. Snack machine. Put this away in my camera bag for now. What do you guys think about that? That's just one machine. So obviously with what I get from today, I'll be going back to Sam's and restocking. So that's obviously, let's check. What do you guys do? Like there's a bunch of change in there. What do you guys do? You guys wait till this thing is like completely full, like to the brim? Because right now I don't have anything to carry all this change in. So I'm gonna wait till it's completely full. and have the proper coin storage. So, but also at the same time, I want to take it so I can count it all. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. And what I'll do is I'll put it in the car and everything. So you guys saw that stack. That was amazing. Let's move on to the soda machine. Move on to the soda machine. This one you gotta be patient. You guys have soda machines. You guys know it takes 6,000 years to spin this knob here. But yeah, I'm like super surprised by that first that first machine. And like I said, you know, I came in, you know, every other couple days to double check, see everything was working, because I'm paranoid. I'll be like, oh, it's not working, something's not working. I'm just leaving a machine there to rot and whatever. So this is soda. Last time I had the Cokes up to here. This slide is the one that doesn't work. I need to find somebody to help me fix that. These were to the top. This was like, the ginger ales were like up to here. The diet sodas is not doing too hot right now. I guess when it gets hotter, the Gatorades or Powerades will do better. And this is Hawaiian Punch. So, yeah, Hawaiian Punch is not doing so well right now. And this is orange, not orange scotch, purple, grape Sunkist. I can't even talk right now. So, yeah, the Coke products do pretty good always. So I gotta come back and fill that up. So now, the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Here we go. I think this one can pop out, but it is what it is. And I'm having issues. Okay, so there's partial stack. And wow, it's just $1. There you go. There you go. So you guys don't know how excited I am. This is insane. So I gotta get some Cokes. Probably top off the Pepsi. And yeah, that'll be all afterwards. I'll be coming back. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm excited. This is a pretty decent spot right here. So I'm gonna finish up here, close up, and then when I come back, when you guys see me again in the video, I'll have the grand total of everything. And can you guys guess? Because I still gotta pull out the change too. My bad. I gotta pull out the change. Pull out the change. There's that one and that one. So yeah. So you guys make a guess what all this is, and I've got to create a thumbnail shot with all this. So you guys make a guess. Let me know what you guys think, how much I made today or collected, and in the comments. And I'll see you guys in a bit for that final amount. Don't go too far. All right, guys, we are finally back. Surprisingly, it's actually the next day. After I had left the location yesterday from the collections, I had to go pick up my wife. We had to go do some things, pick up the girls and everything. So the time went away. We got distracted and everything. I was like, you know what? Let me rest, relax, continue tomorrow. So now, after I've safely put the money away in my security cash bag that I actually bought a while ago, which I was supposed to bring for the collections, but I forgot. It's over here on my desk, on my computer desk. So let's take a look at all the cash and the coinage, and you guys will have a sneak peek of my my workstation. So here is the bag. All right. There is the my wife called it the cash phone. We don't know why, but but yeah, this is the stack from yesterday. It's been squished with rubber bands, so there's that. And then there's all the coins, which we are going to count. So yeah, that's all from the first location, my two first machines ever. It was like I mentioned before, it was a month and some days. So I'm actually very impressed. I was honestly not expecting this from my first go. First time I thought I was gonna have a really just bad area, but it turns out I haven't even counted everything, and I'm okay. I'm more than okay with what I see here. So we're gonna take a little break to count all this, and I'll be right back with the full amount with the coins and everything. So don't go too far. Alright guys, we finally finished counting. It was an insane amount of coins. I can see why some of you guys have those coin sorters and coin counters at your house. They're kind of pricey, but totally worth it after spending so long counting all these coins. But I did it by myself. We have a total of $372.90. Okay, I'll show you on the desk here. Okay. All right, so we got 3 stacks of the cash. This is 299, one short of 300, and this is $70 mixed with, it's mostly quarters, and we have dimes and nickels. So this is $70, and nickels we have $3 and then 90 cents. So $73.90 in change. So yeah, guys, that's an insane amount. That's already more than what I spent putting in. Obviously, way more than what I spent putting in on the restocking when I first got the machine. So, what do you guys think? Any questions, comments, even concerns? Let me know. I'm super happy about this. I can deal with this. Okay, I'm gonna see how much the other one brings. I think the other one's not gonna do as well because it doesn't have as much traffic coming in. The other one, first location, it's a place people trying to do jobs, daily jobs, and there's lots and lots of people, and it's open. It's more open throughout the week than it is the other location, which is a water plant. They're open 4 days of the week, and there's just a couple amount of employees, but it is another location. So this is my first collection ever. Okay, $372.90. I'm super happy about this. So eventually we'll go check out the other one. I don't know when exactly, but when I have time, I'll go collect it and do that video. But hey, if you guys liked my first collections video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 200 subscribers. I know we're at like 188 or something like that. So I'd greatly appreciate you guys jump on board. There'll be plenty more vending videos and entrepreneurial videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment if you have any questions. I'll talk to you. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.